Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment, soft skill development, week third, assignment third. Now first question is a quick flash of disgust when someone says they are happy is an example of. So these are the options: faked expression, masking, leakage, neutralization. So the answer of first question is C, leakage. Now the second question is the famous Robbins Weiss illusion phase Weiss image demonstrate which perceptual phenomenon. So these are the option: motion after effect, reversible figure, ground perception, size constancy, peripheral drift illusion. So the answer of second question is B, reversible figure, ground perception. Now the third question is which gesture is most universally recognized as a sign of agreement or yes in many cultures. So these are the example: thumbs up, head nodding, handshake, clenching fist. So the answer of third question is B, head nodding. Now the fourth question is harmony is not associated with. So these are the option: unity, balance, rhythm, line. So the answer of fourth question is D, line. Now the fifth question is consider the following statement. Assertion: spoken words carry very little of the emotional content in face-to-face communication. Reason: non-verbal cues such as facial expression and tone of voice convey the majority of the emotional meaning. So the answer of fifth question is A. Both A and R are true, and R is correct explanation of A. So now the sixth question is consider the following statement about facial expression of anger. Anger often result in a clenched jaw and furrowed eyebrows. B. Anger usually cause a person to smile or relax their facial muscles. So now the answer of sixth question is B. A is correct, B is false. Now the seventh question is music with an irregular syncopated rhythm typically evokes a feeling of dash in the listener: calmness, excitement, anxiety, joy. So the answer of seventh question is B, excitement. Now the eighth question is consider the following statement. A. Harmony can be achieved by combining musical notes or visual colors in a pleasing orderly way. B. Harmony pertains only to music. Visual arrangement cannot be harmonious. So the answer of eighth question is B. A is true, B is false. Now the ninth question is according to Gestalt psychology, which principle explains why we perceive an incomplete circle with a small gap as a complete circle? So these are the option: closure, similarity, proximity, continuity. So the answer of ninth question is A, closer. Now the tenth question is in cultures with right to left writing system, example Arabic, viewers typically begin scanning an image from which edge of the page? So these are the options: left edge, right edge, top edge, bottom edge. So the answer of 10th question is B, right edge. Now the 11th question is in linear perspective drawing, parallel lines appear to converge at a point on the horizon. What is this point called? So these are the options: focal point, vanishing point, horizon point, center of projection. So the answer of 11th question is B, vanishing point. Now the 12th question is consider the following statement. A. Intense sadness often cause the mouth corner to drop downward. B. Intense sadness typically causes the eyebrows to rise dramatically. So the answer of 12th question is A. Both A and B are correct. Now 13th question is visual representation is not possible for dash. So these are the option: light, sound, smell, temperature. So the answer of 13th question is C, smell. Now the 14th question is consider the following statement. A. Visual image can communicate cultural values and messages just as effectively as written word. B. Only textual word based content can convey clear meaning in communication, not images. So the answer of 14th question is B. A is true, B is false. Now the 15th question is when negotiation in a boardroom sitting arrangement, example who sits at the head of the table, are an example of. So these are the option: kinesics, chronemics, haptics, proxemics. So the answer of 15th question is D, proxemics. So now submit your answer. So thank you friends for watching this video.